Guys, welcome in today's video. I hope that all of you are doing great. In this video, I want to talk about the danger of not following your plan. So let's actually get right into it. Just before I start, as always, if you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, make sure you do that, and you can also leave a like under the video. I would truly appreciate it. So what is the danger of not following your plan? So if you are on your way to become a profitable trader, one of the steps that you need to go through is obviously testing a strategy to see if it works and to see if you are able to make constant profit on the market, right? So you have to do this, you have to go through this step to see if, well, you can simply be a profitable trader, right? Now, after going through this step, what a lot of people will do, unfortunately, is that when they will get into trading with real money, they will not follow their plan as they did previously when they were testing out their strategy. Now, there could be many reasons of that. You could be over risking, which means that you want to make fast money, right? You could be trying to trade like another trader that you see on Instagram because you are lacking confidence in what you're doing. There could be many different reasons, but if you don't follow your plan, that is the quickest way to failure. When I say following your plan, as I said at the beginning, the plan has to be tested, right? And it has to have proven itself that it's working. But if it actually is working, you need to follow your plan and not listen to anybody, not follow anybody, not even look at anybody. Like, you just have to follow your plan and have a very strong discipline to actually do so. But as I said, most people are just not able to do that because they are lacking either confidence or discipline or any of those stuff, right? So it's really important that when you get into trading with real money and that you tested a strategy before and that it has proven that it's working, that you stick to this strategy, that you do not look anywhere else, don't follow anyone, stick to what you're doing, because if it works, well, there you go, you have made it, right? If it works, if what you're doing on trading works, well, you just have to do it. Like, that's as simple as that, right? But a lot of people, as I said, because of emotions and because of, human nature, well, they will tend to look at what other people are doing, not follow their plan, over risk, trade with their emotions, and all of those things. So you really have to, number one, have a good plan, a good strategy, and number two, have a good mindset that will allow you to basically capitalize on this strategy and to focus only on this one. So that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to remind you guys and share with you guys, well, this little tip that I think is relevant and that a lot of people simply forget about and don't apply in their trading. Alright, so on that, take care, trade with care, manage money well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.